I am doing it. I know Mr. H. Sapre, Gana Sapre, popularly known as Gana Sapre or Gana only, for the last about 40 years. And it is because I used to meet him every now and then for learning, a voracious reader. And therefore, whenever you will meet him, you will always get to know something more, a real friend, guide and philosopher. So far as I am concerned, I am sure it would be the description for most of you, so far as Mr. Gana Sapre is concerned. He has been in the educational field so far as the industrial workers are concerned. You know, he was associated with the Central Board for Workers' Education. After retirement, he took up the field of continuing education, continuing a dialogue, continuing a conversation with the working class. But particularly, towards the end of 1990s, he used to teach all types of subjects which are required in the industrial society, which are required in labor management relations. That was the task of the Central Board for Workers' Education. But during the end of 1990s, I can distinctly remember, he said that he must devote his remaining time to one subject, and that is workers. He took a passion for it. In fact, in his book in Marathi, I can introduce him, giving a brief account as to what made him write this book. He has in such said, and I will say what he has said, the subject has been his passion. I am translating what he has said in Marathi. The subject has been his passion. He is very great. That is Swasa Koshti. Swasa Swasa. This is what he has said. And what has been said, he was interacting with all sorts of people, that was what he has said, all sorts of people, from housewives to managers at different levels. That is what Sapre was thinking about. This is what he himself has written in his preface to his Marathi book, Kama. Mr. Sapre being a voracious reader, as I said, when he took a passion for that subject, he read considerable literature. I would say every literature under the sun he has read on it. I am not trying to flatter him because I have seen him twice in a week here. I don't stay in Pali at all. I stay at mine. But it was a fascination for me, equally a passion for me to go and discuss with him this subject because I also, ladies and gentlemen, I also belong to HRC. The subject was as near to me as me. He would throw much more better light. He would enlighten me also, a man in the HRC field for the last 40 years or so. And that was a learning experience for me. So out of sensing motive, I used to be with him. And I would see every time that he meet, even after he meet 2 or 3 days, he has read one more book on work ethics. And most of the work ethics books, let me tell you, are in English literature. They are foreign books.